If you're looking to increase your property's value in Honolulu, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for home renovations. Today, we're diving into the top renovation tips that can help maximize your investment and attract potential buyers. Let's get started. First up, the heart of the home, the kitchen. A well-designed, updated kitchen is one of the biggest selling points for buyers. Here's what makes the most impact. High-quality countertops. Quartz and granite are durable and give a sleek, luxurious feel. Soft-close cabinetry adds a modern and high-end touch. Energy-efficient appliances helps save on electricity costs, which is a major plus in Hawaii. Updated lighting. Under-cabinet lighting and statement pendants make a space feel modern and inviting. Functional layout improvements. Opening up the space and adding an island can make a kitchen feel more spacious and practical. A fresh, open-concept kitchen with these updates can greatly increase both functionality and market appeal, making it a worthwhile investment. Next, let's talk about bathrooms. A well-renovated bathroom not only increases home value, but also enhances daily comfort. Consider these updates. Walk-in showers with frameless glass makes the space feel bigger and more elegant. Dual vanity sinks, a practical and desirable feature for many buyers. Modern tile and water-efficient fixtures. Hawaiian-inspired tile designs add character, while water-efficient fixtures save on utilities. Smart mirrors and lighting enhances usability and adds a touch of modern convenience. Storage solutions. Built-in shelves and floating vanities can maximize space in small bathrooms. By making these improvements, you create a more attractive and functional space that appeals to a wide range of buyers. First impressions matter. Enhancing curb appeal is one of the easiest ways to boost your home's value. Here are some of the best ways to do it. Drought-resistant landscaping with native Hawaiian plants. Low maintenance and eco-friendly. Fresh exterior paint. Neutral tones with island-inspired accents create an inviting look. Updating lighting and entryway. Solar path lights and a new front door can transform your home's entrance. New garage doors and fencing. Simple updates that can modernize your home's exterior. Power washing and minor repairs. A clean, well-maintained exterior makes a strong first impression. Small changes to the exterior can make a big impact, helping your home stand out in the market. In 2025, sustainable homes continue to be in high demand. These upgrades not only save money, but add long-term value. Solar panels and battery storage reduces electricity bills and increases home efficiency. Energy-efficient windows and doors keeps interiors cool, cutting down on AC use. Smart home technology. Thermostats, lighting, and security features make homes more convenient and appealing to buyers. Tankless water heaters saves space and reduces energy costs. Improved insulation helps regulate indoor temperature and lowers utility bills. With Hawaii's focus on sustainability, these updates make homes more attractive to modern buyers. Want to maximize your home's value even more? Adding livable space is key. The best options include accessory dwelling units, ADUs, great for rental income or multi-generational living. Converting unused spaces into guest suites or offices appeals to remote workers and extended families. Expanding lanais or outdoor entertainment areas increases usable living space and enhances island-style living. Basement or attic conversions. Turning these areas into usable living spaces can add significant value. Upgrading outdoor kitchens and fire pits, perfect for entertaining and making the most of Hawaii's climate. Creating additional living areas can significantly boost your home's value and versatility. Personally, we've renovated and sold a condo in Makiki. We bought it in 2016 for $340,000 and sold it for $410,000 in 2022. The condo was in a small 8-unit boutique building called Makiki Parkside. We fully renovated the 2 bathrooms, including replacing the tubs. We had it painted and installed a backsplash in the kitchen, along with replacing the flooring with luxury vinyl plank, LVP. The best part is that we didn't owe any capital gains from the sale because that was our primary residence. This is an example of a live-in flip, which is a great strategy for building wealth, especially if you're just starting out. So there you have it, the top renovation tips to increase property value in Honolulu in 2025. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to enhance your home, these strategic renovations can lead to serious benefits. Which upgrade are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.